While it's impossible to predict with absolute certainty which jobs will disappear entirely in the AI era, some roles are more susceptible to automation due to the nature of their tasks. Here are 10 examples of jobs that AI could potentially replace. Assembly line workers. Many repetitive tasks in manufacturing are already being automated, and this trend is likely to continue. Robots excel at performing consistent, predictable tasks efficiently. Repetitive data entry clerks. AI can automate data entry tasks with high accuracy, eliminating the need for human input in many cases. Telemarketers. As AI-powered chatbots become more sophisticated, they can handle basic customer interactions, making telemarketing calls potentially obsolete. Cashiers and retail salespeople. Self-checkout systems and AI-powered shopping experiences could significantly reduce the need for cashiers and traditional retail salespeople. Truck drivers. The development of self-driving vehicles poses a significant challenge to the long-term need for human truck drivers, especially for long-haul transportation. Proofreaders and editors. AI-powered tools can already identify and correct many grammatical errors and inconsistencies with high accuracy, potentially reducing the demand for proofreaders and editors in specific contexts. Loan officers and underwriters. As AI becomes more adept at financial analysis and risk assessment, it could automate loan processing tasks currently handled by loan officers and underwriters. Travel agents. With the ease of online booking platforms and AI-powered travel assistants, the need for traditional travel agents may diminish. Factory machine operators. As factories become increasingly automated, the need for human operators to monitor and control machines might decrease. Tax preparers. For routine tax filing with straightforward situations, AI-powered tax preparation software could potentially replace the need for human tax preparers. It's important to remember that these are just potential scenarios, and the timeline for these changes is uncertain. Additionally, AI is likely to create new job opportunities in fields like AI development, data analysis, and cybersecurity. The key is to be adaptable, embrace lifelong learning, and develop the skills that will be most valuable in a future heavily influenced by AI.